Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to check for Citi credit card balance transfer offers. So to get started with this step-by-step guide on how you can easily check for Citi credit card balance transfer offer. So the first thing to do is to log into your Citi account. So open the mobile app on your mobile device, then log into your or sign into your account using your account credentials, which is very important. Then go to your credit card account. Then from the home screen, tap on your credit card, which can be your Citi Simplicity, your custom cash, or your double cash. Then tap more or service. Then scroll to the menu section and tap the service, offers, or payments and transfer. Then select balance transfer, then tap on the balance transfer or view balance transfer offer to see the available promotion. Then view the current offers. So Citi will show any available offers like 0% intro with APR for 12 to 21 months with a 3 to 5% fee. Then choose your offer and enter the transfer details. Then select the card to transfer from and enter the amount and the account number of your other credit card. Then submit and wait for confirmation. Review the times and tap submit, and transfer typically take between 5 to 21 days to process. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.